In this video, we're going to be looking at widgets, which is another way to extend or customize the look of the website or blog. So in order to access your widget area, if you go to the appearance and click on widgets, you are going to find some of the default widgets, which are the search, recent, comment, post, archive, and meta. If you go to the website and scroll down, you can see the sidebar. This is the sidebar, and this is the search, the recent comment, recent post, archive, and the metadata. So as you can see, that whatever you place here goes into the sidebar. So what you want to do is another thing you have to pay attention to is the available widgets here depends on the plugins. In the next few videos after this one, I'll be doing a lot of plugin, some of the essential plugins that you should have, about 10 of them. I'm going to be doing videos on them. So depending on the plugins that are installed, you can have different depending on the plugins and depending on the theme that you're using, you can have different available widgets. For example, this banner ad widget doesn't come by default. It's because we've used the WP Clear video theme. This is why we have this one here. So depending on which theme that you have, so let's modify this one further. Also, before I go any further, I want you to realize that we have so many available area on our website that we can place the different widgets. So we can have some at the bottom, we can have some at the footer, we can have different on-page options. I haven't shown you the different on-page options that we have, so I think I should quickly do that now. So if you click on the WP Clear video theme settings and you go to the basic site settings, as you can see, we have the default page layout, and here we have so many. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so we have 7 options. In order to make you understand exactly what this does, let me show you what the website looks like now. As you can see, apart from the featured content, we have this option where we have the blog, the article section on the left, and then we have the sidebar on the right. We can change that around by selecting a different option. So right now we have the content on the left, so let's select this option to have the content on the right and save changes, and then that is going to flip things around. So as you can see, now we have flipped things around. If you like this option, go for it. Personally, I prefer the default because most people now, when they go to websites, you don't have to change how people think, because now people are used to that option and they will find your website to be a little bit weird to use something else. But you can also select other way where you have 3, like this one. Now we have 3 options with the content in the middle. So let me select that and show you what our website will look like if we choose that. So, and then refresh page, we can see now that we have the new. So this is how to change. This is actually cool. I really like this one. It might be an option I'll be considering in the future if I have anything to place on this site, but currently I think it's cool. So depending on the option that you've chosen here, you can go full width, which means you're not going to have any sidebar if you choose to. So let me choose the default one that was there, and let's go back to talking about widgets. So that's how you change your on-page style. Okay, now that we're back to, so now let's modify some of these widgets. Let's go back to appearance, widgets, and I want to remove, I think I like the search one, the recent comments one. I'm going to delete that, and if you want to delete, you have to click on delete. Recent posts, that one is okay, and you can choose how many number of recent posts you want. I would like 5 as default, is fine. Archive is cool, but I want it to be displayed as drop down menu, as a drop down, so you can put a title. You can say this the archive, there you go, and save. The meta, I don't want that, so I will delete that. So if you want to customize further, you can add some stuff from here to the side bottom left or bottom right, but I will not modify that. What I want to do is I want to add some widgets to the footer. So for the footer, I want to add recent post. Sorry, we already have recent post, so I'm going to add the recent comments to the footer widget 1. And you can select the number of comments that you want to show. You can put a title. Footer widget 2, I'm going to add let's see, what can we add here? Let's add pages. Yep, let's put pages. All you have to do is just pick one and just drag it to the area where you want it. You can start by page title or page order or page ID. I'm going to show you how to get your page ID, and if you choose to, you can exclude some pages. So you just have to put the page IDs into this box and it's not going to show them. You can close any of this after you've saved them. You save them and then you close them so you can get some space. So footer widget 3, let's put what else can we put? Links, custom menu, categories, calendar, archive. Already have archive, so you can put basically anything you want, but I'm going to put doesn't look like we have anything else interesting here to add, but let's just choose something for the sake of it. We already set up one feature page, so why not? Let's just try that feature page, and we can make this one to be featured. And remember, because this one's a featured bit, that means it's exclusive to the theme that we use. Enough. Footer widget 4, I'm gonna add just a normal text. You can add any arbitrary text here. So this is the title of the text, and here you can type anything you want, and you can also include HTML tags. So you can basically put, this is the most customizable, probably most useful for me anyway, because you can type anything you want into that text box, and then you can even include HTML tags. So, and this one depends on which home page you choose. You can put different widgets. So if we save everything and then go to our website and refresh, we can see that things will have changed around a little bit. As you can see, we have the search box now and the recent post we have here, and then we have chosen this one to be dropped down so people can select the archive, and this is the title that I typed. And then if you go to the footer, you can see that we have the recent comment, we have the pages. The text didn't show up, and I think it's because I didn't save it. So that shows you that you always have to click on save, and before you can see changes on the website. So, and same thing with the third one, which is the footer widget 3. I'll put the featured page, which is the sample page, and did I save it? Maybe I didn't. So let's look at how that works out. No, it doesn't show. Maybe we have. So anyway, you get the idea. This is how you add widgets to your website, and when we install few plugins, we're going to have even more widgets to work with. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.